All right, Forrest, I think we're good to go, man. Take it away.
Gotcha. So as I was saying, when using Bitcoin as an example, every time Bitcoin's net issuance gets cut in half, gets reduced by 50%, it starts a bull market that takes Bitcoin to the moon, right? And we just had that 2 months ago with EIP 1559 for Ethereum, and it has caused the net issuance of Ethereum to drop by more than what we'd see in a Bitcoin halving, 57%, right? This Ethereum is getting pulled off of exchanges. When Bitcoin dropped, when Ethereum reserve balances on exchanges dropped from 24 million to 21 million Ethereum peaked at 4.4K. Now we've since peaking at 4.4K dropped from 21 million to 18 million ETH in reserves. We're seeing exchanges net flow negative, right? It looks like on October 14th, 378,000 Ethereum got pulled off of exchanges, right? And we've seen a really strong trend channel from Ethereum. Now, there's been some opportunities to take some profits along the ways. There's been some peaks and some valleys. And right now, we're actually, despite this bounce back from Bitcoin, we're still towards the bottom of our overall channel. Still towards the bottom of our overall channel. Yet we've had a recent, basically more than a halvening for Ethereum. Now, people may speculate that Bitcoin could go to $75,000, $80,000. And if we get to $75,000, people will come out of the woodwork and start talking about those $150,000, $300,000 price predictions for Bitcoin that they were talking about a few months ago before we had this big pullback on Bitcoin's chart. But with Bitcoin becoming more accepted, it's almost like it's the safe play. I believe that with Ethereum's changed their tokenomics, the parabolic play this market cycle, right? We saw Ethereum go parabolic last market cycle. We also saw Bitcoin go parabolic last market cycle, moving from 3,000 to 20,000 in 90 short days. I think this market cycle, Ethereum can still be one of the cryptocurrencies that goes parabolic, even if Bitcoin doesn't. Even if Bitcoin tops out at 75K, 80K, maybe it makes it to 90 to 100K. Even if we get a more bearish scenario for Bitcoin, I think Ethereum still has such a bullish case for it based off of its scarcity. So not even getting too out of hand here, guys. And this, I want to be clear that this is not a price prediction. We have price predictions on TMTV. This is just a very basic channel in a range of where Ethereum would be at according to this trend channel by January 31st. January 31st, guys, that's 3.5 months away. It's not like we're projecting 3, 4, 5 years in the future. We're 3 months away from if Ethereum can just hold this channel for 3.5 more months, 100 more days, we're looking at almost 6K Ethereum. Right? If this market doesn't completely top out and crash, basically in the next 3.5 months, 5.7K Ethereum is basically programmed into the channel. And I don't see any reason why we wouldn't see Ethereum continue to creep up in this channel with how scarce it's getting, how much is getting pulled off of exchanges, how much is getting burned every single day, how much is continually getting locked into the staking contract for Ethereum 2.0. Right. So using Ethereum as your safe bet, and of course, this is crypto, nothing's safe per se, but using it as your store of value or just your base currency is not a bad idea. And I know a lot of people want to talk about other layer one solutions, and there's plenty of them out there to speculate on. And most of them are good. Algorand, Solana, even blockchain interoperability plays that have a layer one solution like DOT. Right? Terra, another great layer one solution. All these layer solutions are fantastic, but ask yourself why Bitcoin is still really, really popular, despite there being plenty of forks of Bitcoin, plenty of other digital cash solutions that are faster, that have lower fees. Some of the things that these other layer one solutions competing with Ethereum are bringing to the table, right? It's because people trust Bitcoin and people trust Ethereum and people are using Ethereum, and the Ethereum ecosystem continues to grow and continues to be upgraded and improved. So I know I'm droning on about Ethereum here, but I don't want it to be lost on people how much of in my opinion, a slam dunk play Ethereum is, right? And yes, could it be outperformed in the short term by other layer one solutions? Yes, but as far as the risk to reward ratio goes, and what we're seeing on chain, from Ethereum, it makes me very bullish and very comfortable to be sitting in Ethereum, right? And I'm not saying it's going to go to $21,000. That's where the price would be if it were able to peak at the top of this channel in kind of a blow off top scenario by January 31st, right? Not saying that's where it's going to go, but it wouldn't be off the charts. It would still be within its price channel. But I mean, 5.7K at a minimum if we just continue in this channel. So if you can't tell, I'm very bullish on Ethereum in the short term. And in 4K, 3.7K to 5.7K, that's not the 100x returns that we want when we speculate on an altcoin. But as far as just, if you're uncomfortable, you're not sure where to be right now, Ethereum's not a bad place to be, in my opinion.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.